A quick update on my DIY Hexacopter project. So all the arms has been installed and we got LEDs on each individual arms, and these are programmable LEDs, so we can turn them whatever color we want. And I got something extra for this drone, and this is these 6000 mAh 3-cell batteries. Two of them will make 6 cell. This single cell is 3 cell, 6000 mAh, and these both combined will give 6 cell 6000 mAh battery capacity. And here I got transmitter. This transmitter is from Flysky-i6s model. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what we got. What else we got inside the box? Okay, this is our manual, and here we have our transmitter. Wow, it looks really awesome. Yes, we also got this full aluminum build. This is for adding smartphone onto the transmitter here, so that we can fly FPV and use telemetry and all sort of things. So this is our main transmitter, and we got 6-channel receiver. So this channel is actually this transmitter is actually capable of 10 channels, but we only got 6 channel. कोई नहीं से लेंगे थोड़ा. And we got USB cable. And at the last, this is for throttle. This is to make this stiff, you know. So if you want this stick to stay in the lowest position and don't have this retractive action like this has right now, then you can open and remove that spring and add this, which will make this one stiffer. So you can do FPVs and all sorts of things. But I'm building this hexacopter and I actually don't need that feature. This one is very good for me, so I will leave it as it is. So this is our transmitter, and in the bottom we got micro USB port and another port, trainer port. So I read some of the posts. So this is not to charge the transmitter, because we have to actually insert AA size batteries in it. And this is actually for firmware updates, and I think we can use this cable on our computer to play some simulations, to play FPV in simulations. So we got this foam, and let's keep this aside. And now let's power this thing. Video is a bit shaky, but this is what we got. I have used this transmitter before. So this is 10-channel transmitter, and we have our main gimbals here, and we also have these two spring-loaded potentiometers on both of our arms. So I have heard that we can actually remove the spring and make these non-springy, so we can use them with gimbals, but I don't think I need to do that right now. And at the back we have these buttons. This can also be used as channels inside here. So let's power this thing up. Wow. And actually we don't have any trim buttons and all other navigation buttons, because this is actually touch. So here we can scroll through menus. And we can scroll here to see the voltage, and here for the channels. So this one is channel 3, channel 4, channel 2, channel 1. So I think this is in mode 2, and below we get up to mode 10. So I think the channels have not been set up yet. Frames, shuttlecock, auxiliary channels. In the auxiliary channels, I think we can add here channel 6. I think we can add BRB, and in the channel 7 I think we can add switch, switch A. So in this way we can set up our channels. So this is what we got. So thank you for watching this video. I know this video is short, but I'm unable to record, edit and post videos because I am a bit busy on this Hexacopter project. So hope I will be able to upload a video soon on this channel. So stay tuned. Bye bye.